In this video we are gonna cover four statements in Python. So four statement in Python differs a bit from what you may be used in the C or Pascal rather than always iterating over an arithmetic progression of numbers like in Pascal, or giving the user the ability to define both the iteration steps and halting condition. As in C. Python's for statement iterate over the items of any sequence, a list or a string in the order they appear in the sequence. For example, no punch needed. Okay, so let's see the example. Measure some strings. So this is the example of four statements. So to iterate over each item in the list, we will use the for loop like this. Let's run it. So what it will be do, let me explain. So for will iterate each item in the list using the in keyword, and it will read first. In the first iteration it will read the first item, that is cat, and store it in loop variable w, and that we are printing here w comma length of w. What is the length of the w? That is 3, that we are printing here. Then what in the next iteration it will pick the second element window, store it in loop variable w, and then we are printing again the value of w and then length of it, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then again in third iteration it will pick this one and store it in loop variable w, and the same we are printing again the value of w and length of w, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and let me run. So here we can see cat 3, windows 6, defense rate 12. So this is the way we can iterate through list elements. And then in the next example, this one, we have a sample dictionary of users. Here each element in the dictionary contains username as key, and its another value as its status, whether it is active or inactive. So this is the how we can iterate over this dictionary. So iterate over a copy. If we want to iterate over copy, then again for users and status, in users.copy.items, what it will do, it will first create a copy, and then what it will do, it will fetch all the items. So these are the items. 3 items are inside dictionary, 1 2 and 3, and respectively it will read those items, and respectively it will store user and status. This will go here and this will go here in the status, and we are printing if status is equal to inactive, we are trying to delete that user. Okay, so let me run it and run it. Oh, we are not printing it, right? So strategy for status. Okay, here create a new collection, active users, this one, and we can also use again this is same. Here we are working on copy, here working on the original dictionary without creating copy. So if status is equal to then active user, we are storing active users inside this data dictionary, and if we print it active users, so it will be print active users. So hence, and this one, these two are active users, right? And the same way Okay, if we try to print here, let me do one thing. Let's make a copy of it. Copy of users. So this is a copy of users, and instead of using original copy, we are copying. This is the same thing I did. Why I created this? Because I want to print the copy of users dictionary after deleting inactive users, and that will print only, you know, that will print. Okay, why it has not deleted this? Okay, this is again, let me do this. Delete copy of user, run it. Users, user, and print copy of user. Let me run it. Oh, yeah. So let's do one thing. Keep it like users and print users. Okay, run it, and here we can see that it has deleted this user, right? Inactive user, and it has printed only active users. And let me do one thing. Users is equal to copy of users dot copy, so that we can roll back. State rollback entries into again users, because we deleted here this user, inactive user. So again we are rolling back, and active users and print users here, right? Let me run it. So here we can see this is the original copy, these are the active users, and this is the copy after print. Let me do one thing. Okay, so after rolling back users dictionary, so let's print. We can print here as well. Users. Okay, so we can see after rolling back users, again we have the original values, records of the dictionaries are written. So this way we can iterate through dictionary using for statement, right? Thank you.